Hello everyone, my name is Belen. I am a postgraduate student from Argentina at University of York. For many of us, the beginning of the upcoming academic year might be slightly different to what we have imagined. I think the first and most important thing to do is to locate cozy, comfortable and quiet spot that you can transform into your working space. There are some things that you should consider. First of all, is the place well lit? Is it quiet and silent enough? So try to think about the things that you might need when you're studying. How about water bottle to help you keep hydrated? Honestly, at first, the amount of resources and activities available can be daunting. While everything might sound interesting, try to think about those activities that are more appealing and interesting to you. Also, keeping track of everything can be sort of challenging. What I do personally is I check regularly my Google Calendar because that's where we get all of our academic activities. I set up alarms in case that I might be forgetting something. Another recommendation that I could give is to create a routine. My studies moved online. I have realized that having clear tasks and goals for the day helped me organize better and also feel more motivated. For me, I started talking to people even before arriving in York. I joined a Facebook group created by the GSA, which is the Graduate Students Association, and I just began looking for people who were either from my region, meaning Latin America, or from my course of studies. I actually ended up making a lot of friends. Being in front of a computer 24/7 can have very negative impacts. So I do suggest that you take at least one day to balance your work and study life with a social life away from the computer. Finally, I would just like to say, independently of where in the world you are, your experience as a University of York student is going to be amazing and unique. I wish you all the best in this new adventure. Bye!